Getting an error of missing the js32 library DLL file doesn't have to mean a full system reset. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll show you the expert way to replace it safely. Avoid long manual edits for js32 library by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the js32 library, the SpiderMonkey 32-bit JavaScript engine. It manages the localized execution of JavaScript code within legacy localized non-browser applications, like Adobe Acrobat or older localized game UIs. Mandatory for localized script-based automation in legacy 32-bit suites. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. The standard manual fix is a full reinstallation of Mozilla. Grab the latest x86 and x64 Visual C++ installers from the Microsoft website and run them to restore the missing dependency. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the js32 library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading js32 library DLL from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. For users seeking a more stable Windows experience, the link below references a cleanup utility related to js32 library and system libraries. To keep js32 library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.